secured, my brother. So I don't finally check out to make I go look for bouncer for myself.
Now I don't think to tell you this.
A very strong one, because people they think of to kidnap all those things.
Very good.
Thank you.
Very good.
So I'm not a Nigeria guy. He's not from Nigeria. I don't want any bouncer from Nigeria.
Really? So where is he coming from?
The guy has come all the way from China.
China. Hey, very good, man. That's it, man.
Let me just call it. Jua! Jua! He's coming. He's coming.
So the guy grab the guy.
He finish work if we come to that area. Very strong. When you talk about strong.
Yeah. No, boy, I don't think of.
He's one of the best bouncers.
Yeah, in China.
Yeah.
Where the guy?
Yeah, he comes. What are you laughing? Easy.
Is this a cook or a bouncer?
Yeah, he's a bouncer. He's my bouncer. No, easy.
Parrot, I get better offer.
You get bouncer for
I get bouncer.
This one is one of the best bouncers so far.
Yeah, this is my bouncer. I don't mind giving him on leave for you. Can work with you.
But I trust this guy.
Forget where he's coming from. See this guy now. This guy goes bouncer.
No, take it easy. No, they are not bothering. Take it easy. Please, I don't want please, what is happening here? Juma! Oh, I'm finished. What do I do? Please get up. You do that. Oh, no. I don't know. I know there's only one thing that can help me here. Oh.